energy boost? Let me tell you a story. Back in the olden days when we were little, coming home from school, our mum or grandma will hand over a handful of walnuts, piece of apple or banana so we can finish our homework, and most time that we will go through our exams with flying colors, thanks to the wisdom of our mum and grandma. They're sourcing all of the beautiful fruits and nuts and grains and seeds and beans and all that natural food that will sustain our energy level. On top of that, let me just tell you about a benefit. Banana in the cycling area has been known as efficient as the carbohydrate drinks that would provide energy level for athlete performance. It has plenty of vitamin B and potassium that will boost the energy. What about apple? The most popular fruit, not only because of the sweetness, beautiful natural sugar, it has plenty of fiber and carbohydrates and is high antioxidants. Apple, the best source, provides us with a sustained energy level. And the walnuts. Walnut has high calories, abundance of protein, carbohydrates, healthy fats like the amino acids 3 and 6 that provides a slow release of energy. So that's one source will give you steady, sustained energy boost. Now the list goes on and on and on. I'd like to talk to you about one more before I go. I'd like to introduce you to the beetroots that has gained a lot of popularities recently because of the ability to improve energy and stamina. Also the blood flow in our body packed with carbohydrates, fiber and natural sugar that provides you sustained energy boost. In my next videos, I would also go through the list of my favorites. I'd also like to take the opportunity to thank you following me since I started this video series in May 2019. And I hope it has benefited you to get more ideas and concept about using the natural ingredients from Mother Nature and doing it at home to prepare beautiful food instead of relying on the commercially produced processed products. Until then, be well,